Good morning, Haskey. Wake up. Come with me. I have a surprise.
A surprise? What is the surprise?
You will see. We are going to Switzerland.
Switzerland!
Let's get ready for our trip.
Haskey Mary, a something. Mary, I am so excited.
Do we have everything?
Yes, we do.
I have everything. Good job, Haskey.
Are you all ready?
Yes, Dad! Let's go, Dad!
Okay, let's go.
Is that our car?
Yes, let's go.
We are ready!
Yes, let's go.
Can we go now? Wow! We are really going!
Yes, we are.
Everyone, please wear your seatbelt.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, everyone, our trip begins.
Goodbye, our home!
See you soon.
Dad, are we going to the airport?
Yes, Hasley. Finally, we are at the airport.
Wow, it is so big! I have my bag!
Good job, Hasley.
Whoa, the airport is big! Yes, it is. Look at this!
Stay close to the family.
Are we going to Switzerland?
Yes, we are. Our bags are ready.
Let's go!
Here are our boarding parks.
Stay close, Haskey. Okay, Mary.
Yes, we are okay. Our gate is this way.
Haskey, let's go, Dad. Is that our airplane?
Yes, that is our plane.
Wow, we are going.
Yes, our trip begins now.
I can see the sky. Leefzeldo. Oh, wow. This is exciting. The clouds are so beautiful.
Yes, enjoy the view.
Look, I see mountains. They are beautiful.
We are almost there.
I am so excited! Wow! We are in Switzerland!
Yes, Hasley, we are here.
Is that our suitcase?
Yeah, that's ours. Let's go outside.
I'm ready! Is that our car? Is that our car?
Yes, that's our car. Everyone ready?
Yes, Dad!
Ready for our adventure?
Yes! Let's go! Wow! The mountains are amazing!
Yes, Switzerland is beautiful.
Village! It is so beautiful. Wow! Is this our hotel?
Yes, we are here.
Let's see our hotel!
Come on, Haskey.
Either care getting you must your family. We have our room.
Great! Let's go! Is our room upstairs?
Yes, Haskey. Here is our room.
Wow! Look at those mountains! They are amazing! Dad, can we go outside? Let's go!
Stay close, Haskey.
Are we going outside now?
Yes, let's go.
Wow! Look at Switzerland!
It is beautiful.
Let's walk to the village.
Okay, Dad! Look at these houses. They are so pretty. Dad, look! Fresh bread!
It smells delicious.
Wow! Is that a lake?
Yes, it is.
Whoa! Look at the mountains. Wow, the water is cold.
Be careful.
I love this place.
Me too.
Let's take a family photo.
Great idea.